Hi guys, AdamJ here, and in this video it's going to be a few bumps. This Rubik's Cube is going to turn into a jumbo Rubik's Cube, and it is going to be taken apart and put it back together, so when you hold it, it's just going to go explode. This is an old Rubik's Cube, fully functioning. If you want to know how to make a pattern, I'll tell you that now. So you turn the middle layer 2 times. Turn it sideways. Turn the middle layer 2 times. Turn it upwards and turn the middle layer 2 times. And that's the pattern. All sides. And just went back and do the same. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if not, just take it apart. So all you need for this is a screwdriver. That's it. So first of all, you take your cube apart. How you do that is just pull it and make sure you have room in this cube. If you want to do it. You just take it apart. It's very hard. It's very tightly packed. See this? So get the corner of the corner. Yeah, you just get the corner of the corner to take it out. So then, to make it easier, just take the top layer out. I'm taking this layer out. Then take one edge piece out. So your cube should look like this, or any side. They could just go to your cube. And as you can see, you've got the core. These turn very nicely compared to it. And my cube turns very nice. It's done this way. I'll put it back together. So I've got my screwdriver. First of all, I'm going to take the center caps off. So as you can see here, there's a little bump. Sometimes it's easy to take it out with your teeth. Just remember to dry it. Cut it out. Take all the center caps out and put it in one pile. And it does take a few, like about half an hour to do this. So as you can see, you've got the screws. You can see the screws. And this is the core. I've done this before. Then, see these screws, you just buy this cross hat. Put them in, and you turn it. I'm not sure, but I always get mixed up. I think towards you. Turn it towards yourself, yeah, towards yourself. So I'm going to do this all off camera. So, see you in part 2.